If you want to record sounds on a Nothing Phone 3A, then we can use the recorder that we can find, for example, in the app drawer. It looks like this. So let's open it. If you open it for the first time, you will need to provide permissions. And we have three modes. We can use voice focus, normal, and environment. So in this case, I'm gonna just use a normal. We can press this red button in order to start recording. And once you are done, we can press the pause button in the middle. And you can also just save it after that by pressing this save button, save text in the bottom right corner. We can set the name over here, and if you press save, then we have our recording over here, which we can play. We can skip 10 seconds forward or rewind 10 seconds backwards. We also have the option to share, rename, and delete over here, or in this place, I believe, if we press and hold. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!